Welcome to my experiment in artificial life. In this video, we examine bird flight patterns, specifically Boyd behaviors, as well as a predator bird with a custom animation. The code for this experiment was written by Codex. This is my first time using Codex. So after linking it to my project, I started by asking it to tell me about the project just to see what it could tell me. And it gave me a solid rundown of everything that was in my asset folder. So the next thing I did was told it to write a bird spawner script and a bird behavior script to create the Boyd behavior. And it gave me two pretty thorough scripts, which I then applied to the bird prefab and the bird spawner in the scene. I ran the project not expecting much, but it actually worked. The behavior looks great. They don't start in flocks, but over time they start to form, and it's really fun to watch already. Next, I added a simple procedural animation script and hooked up the wings. The animation isn't actually working properly, but the wings are moving, so that's a good enough start for now. The next step is to add the predator bird. So I gave Codex this provided prompt, which describes how the predator is supposed to be implemented in the system. And it worked for a few minutes and then gave me a rundown of exactly what it did. So then I moved into the editor and just created a prefab and added the script. And for now, he just flew away. Um, so I tried asking Codex to fix it and also to add animation to the predator. And this was definitely pushing it. But after tweaking some values, I got some decent predator behavior. Next, I decided to add a custom bird with a custom animation. For this, I used Modif to generate a textured model of an eagle, which I then pulled into Blender to add a rig. I got a flying animation working in Unity, which doesn't look great, but it's my first time doing this, so I'm happy with it. Here's what the scene looks like with my animated eagle model.